Yo guys, I'm LiLL HYPY, you're watching Pair of Sneakerheads, and I have a new fun video for you guys because I bought a pair of shoes a couple of years ago when Adidas was still hyped. I wanted to, restore them, and here they are, the Jordan 4 Military Blues. As you guys can see, they're super worn. Not beaten, but worn. And that's why I wanted to make a restoration video for you guys. I bought these guys for 30 euros, and that's a steal. So I'm gonna take you with me through the whole process. Hope you like this video. Give me a thumbs up, and let's get into the video. So as you guys can see, these really need a bath. So first we're gonna remove the laces. So now I'm gonna wash these all over with Rejuvenator. I know this is not sponsored by, but Rejuvenator, they say they're the best, so let's do this. So I wash these shoes inside and out because I don't want the sweaty sweat things on my feet, you know. Here the water is already yellowed, so I don't know, you know, it's not really my thing. So that's why I'm gonna wash these bad boys inside and out. That's the best way to new shoes. These insoles are glued in really tight. Hope I can get them up nice and easy. Yes. Just give it some time and they're gonna pop out.
Yeah, pop out, yeah, pop out.
So I took the insoles out and they're super dirty, so these I'm gonna clean later. Here's the drier one. Oh. And yeah, we're gonna clean those later. First, the inside of the shoe because it's dirty as
South Coast nigga, it's the funk. Gotta keep it pissing in the trunk.
Rejuvenate it as well. So I'm gonna do this until the water is clear, because they're still getting a little yellow water out of the shoes, and I don't like that stuff. So I wanted to show you guys the difference between the dirty and the clean one. So as you guys can see, this one's lighter than that one, as well as the upper. Dirty, clean.
We all rob, gotta pay the bills. I tell them South Coast nigga, it's the funk. Gotta keep a pistol in the trunk. Niggas talking shit when they don't really want it. Pull up at your house early in the morning.
So guys, I'm outside right now, as you guys can see. It's really sunny today. I'll show you. Yep, sunny. And that's why I wanted to bleach the bottoms of the shoes. And I'm gonna use this Soul Bright, and of course foil and a brush to put this stuff on. So let's do this. So as you guys can see, they're already sunbathing.
Now who'll be the best up in the South Coast if he's spitting?
So guys, here's the end result of bleaching the soles. As you can see, they're super white, or
died for. They said he probably didn't see a thing, they found him with his eyes closed. Nigga.
So guys, this is how they turned out. I bleached them with Soul Bright about 6 times. And yeah, they're creamy white, almost as new. The bottoms are still a little yellow, but I'm gonna walk on that so it doesn't really matter. I'm gonna paint the midsole, so let's get into it. So as you guys can see, they turned out super clean, super dope. I'm gonna tape everything off, well, like the midsole, with painter's tape or scotch tape, whatever you wanna call it. And I'm gonna strip away the paint with nail polish remover and cotton balls. Whoa, cotton balls. So let's get into it. Alright, so now I stripped away all of the paint, as you can see. I saw that the insides of the shoes need a little bit more of a cleaning. And yeah, here you have all of those pills. I want to remove those with a razor and this pill remover. And yeah, let's see what it does. So guys, I did this side already, and as you guys can see, it's super clean and all the pills are gone. And I still have to do this side before, and this is the after. So for this next step, you need Angelus flat white, a clear container, a paintbrush, acetone, and cotton rounds. Now I'm gonna paint the whole midsole white. That's the base. There are about 6 layers of thin paint on the midsoles, and they're super awesome, and yeah, it's very smooth. And now I'm gonna tape off the lower half, and I'm gonna paint the upper half military blue. So guys, I pre-mixed my military blue, and now I'm gonna apply it on the midsole. Alright, so there are about 3 layers of military blue on there. And now I'm gonna remove all the tape, and then it's time to paint the whole upper with flat white to make them crispy white. Yeah, so let's do this. I'm gonna paint the upper with flat white right now. I'm gonna use this Angelus flat white and just a flat paintbrush, just to make the shoe a little wider and give it that like new-ish look. As you can see right here, these are scuffs, and I'm gonna try to cover these up. First I'm gonna acetone the upper, and then I'm gonna use this. So I hope you can see the difference, because this one I already painted white, and this one I need to do with flat white, and I'm gonna show you right now. So let's begin. I'm gonna put thin layers on there because it doesn't need that much paint, and with a little bit they are gonna look fresh as fuck. But yeah, I'm just gonna start right here and like put small bits of paint on there. I'm also going over the stitches because the stitches are a little grayish, and I just want them to look fresh as fuck. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. They're looking better and better already. A little bit of paint goes a long way. So super dope. You can do this. Well, I can do this. Well, it's not that difficult. You can do this at home. And you know, the scuffs were here, and I'm gonna go over it with a little bit of paint. I already did one layer, and this is the second one. So over time the stitches are getting grayish. I don't like that. I just want them to be fresh, crispy whites.
So now they're all done, and I'm gonna show you the on feet. Please like and subscribe if you like this video.